Ubiquiti UVC-G6-PTZ Review 4K Auto-Tracking PTZ that replaces multiple fixed cameras.
You're checking your phone again at 2 a.m. because another motion alert just went off. Probably just a tree branch or a cat or headlights. You've gone 17 alerts tonight and exactly 0 of them mattered. You're exhausted, frustrated, and honestly, you've started ignoring the notifications completely, which means when something real actually happens, you'll miss it. Sound painfully familiar? Drop a comment if you've been there. Every false alert chips away at your security system's credibility. You're drowning in useless notifications while real threats slip through unnoticed. Your fixed cameras can't zoom, can't follow suspects, can't tell the difference between your neighbor's dog and an actual intruder. You're stuck rewinding grainy footage, squinting at blurry faces, and wishing you could have just zoomed in when it mattered. There's a sharper, calmer, smarter way forward. Everything changed when I discovered the Ubiquiti UVC-G6-PTZ. Don't just grab any PTZ camera, make sure it has AI-powered auto-tracking so you never deal with losing a suspect the second they move out of frame again. This isn't another static camera helplessly recording whatever happens to pass by. The G6-PTZ actively hunts. Its 8-megapixel 4K sensor delivers crystal clear identification quality, while the motorized PTZ system pans 360 degrees continuously, tilts from ground to sky, and optically zooms up to 30 times without losing a pixel of detail. Built-in AI instantly distinguishes people from vehicles from animals, triggering smart alerts only when real threats appear. Auto-tracking locks onto detected subjects and smoothly follows them across your entire property, panning, tilting, zooming, keeping them centered in frame without you touching a button. A property manager told me his G6-PTZ caught a car-breaking suspect, auto-tracked him across a 200-car parking lot, and captured his face and license plate clearly enough for police to make an arrest within 48 hours. One camera replaced 6 fixed units and delivered the first real conviction his property had seen in years. The long-term peace of mind? Absolutely priceless. Imagine this workflow. The camera detects a person at your gate at midnight, auto-tracks them as they approach your building, zooms in to capture facial details in full 4K, and sends you one intelligent alert, not 17 false ones. You open the Unify Protect app on your phone, take manual PTZ control from your couch, pan left to check the parking lot, zoom 30 times to read a license plate 300 feet away, and speak directly through the camera's built-in speaker to ask the visitor to identify themselves. That's the operational freedom the G6-PTZ delivers. Professional surveillance installers report 95+% AI detection accuracy in well-lit conditions, with false positives nearly eliminated through smart detection zones. An IT publication confirmed license plate readability at 100 meters during testing, performance previously exclusive to enterprise cameras costing 4 times as much. School districts and church campuses are replacing entire arrays of fixed cameras with 1 or 2 strategically positioned G6-PTZs, saving tens of thousands in hardware costs and infinite savings from 0 subscription fees. Concerned about the learning curve? The Unify Protect app is intuitive enough that church volunteers and school administrators operate PTZ controls confidently after a single 15-minute training session. How much more would total control over your property security be worth to you right now? If you're already in the Unify ecosystem, this is the single most transformative upgrade you can make. This isn't about hype. It's about real protection that actually works when seconds count. Thousands of property managers, business owners, and security-conscious homeowners are already using the UVC G6-PTZ daily to stop real threats, capture real evidence, and sleep soundly knowing their property is actively monitored. Sharper footage, smarter alerts, calmer nights, total control from anywhere in the world. The affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment with all the details you need to transform your security setup today. Explore the difference professional PTZ surveillance makes. You'll feel it immediately.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.